500 gift certificate from SM Lanang. Hello guys, good evening. We are here at SM Lanang. Of course, Totz is still preparing for her beauty. Kasi tawag makeup. I have a 500 gift certificate from... Hey! I got this from our Christmas party because I've won this. So, we are going to spend it with Totz. Hi guys, as you can see my camera is shaking. I'm here at sit and massage, a chair massage in SM Lanang just for simple relaxation. My Totz is currently ordering sandwich waiting. 20 pesos is for about 6 minutes. Yeah. That was a nice 6 minutes from sit and rest massage station. How's our order? Lava? Sandwich. Sandwich is one of the best food here in SM. Actually, ito na in SM. Sandwich is one of our favorite food kasi since it's cheaper and actually tasty. And also, it's Christmas here in SM. I don't know what's the event here in SM, but there seems to be a celebrity. Dahil lang ikatubutan sa kayo. That's Bailey. Okay, now I know that's Bailey from Big Brother, which is yung partner ni Ilona. Nag-enjoy sila sa gawas. Arahit. Ayun. Well, they are outside enjoying baby's presents. We are here inside the department store for the para magamit ang amuang gift certificate, 500 pesos. Pero para lang sa kuha. Wow, that's beautiful. Hello guys, good evening guys. We are back. Sayang because my cell phone nalobat siya inside SM Lanang, so I was not able to record yung shopping namin nito. Purchase na lang mo ang katong gift certificate na worth 500 pesos and it was... Good evening guys! Well, currently we are here pa rin sa Davao City inside the Orchard Hotel located at Bahada, Davao City. So guys, as you can see, we just came from SM Lanang, kaso nga lang nalobat ang akong cellphone and I have no battery, or gina extra battery ang cellphone, so I was not able to vlog kung ano yung gipang buhat na mo sa loob sa SM. As of now, here's Totz. So maybe you're asking, yes, we live in Davao, then why are we staying in a hotel right now? But, actually, just to chill for a while. No, staying at home seems to be at least stressful, especially if you're after work. Sometimes we need to wind up. So, a cheap hotel or actually not a cheap hotel, but I think it's more on like a room with aircon, a comfortable bed sheets, comfortable pillows. Yes, I'm not saying that we don't have this at home, but this would really help to wind up. So guys, thank you so much for I'm really sorry if you were not able to vlog But now, I want to show you the hotel room for, dito sa Orchard. So, we paid 1,000 pesos for this room. They have a queen size bed. As you can see, gubot ka, gubot! Gubot. So, they have this 42 inches. 42 inches ba? No? Na TV. Aircon. I love it. And then, of course, sa ilahang, they have their bathroom and CR, hot and cold shower. So, not bad for 1,000 pesos. Actually, it's great. It's a great deal. Guys, I want to show you kung ano ang aming nabili for the 500 pesos gift certificate at SM Lanang. So, okay guys. Here it is. Muna akong model. Tanaw si Chur. Okay guys, here it is. The 500 pesos gift certificate from our Christmas party. Kasagaran iyang gamit. Unfair. So guys, we have this from Watson's. Tag 49 pesos. Actually, we paid more than 600 pesos. This one is for kilay. Kilay nito. Actually, you don't need to fix your kilay naman to. Sige mo kung ingon nimo. Then next is this Deonat. I believe this is a deodorant selected by Totz. I'm not sure kung asan niya gamitan na deodorant. Totz, asan ganyan mo gamitan na deodorant ganito? Kili power. Next is the pH Care. Okay, I'm not going to mention where this one's going to be used. Another. Hi. Okay, fine. pH Care is about 29. So, we actually maximize all the things. Cheap things. And then, 89 pesos yung suklay niya. I'm not sure kung bakit masyadong mahal. But actually, here is my item. Here's my thing. One of my favorite suot talaga, mostly if napapansin nyo, is Sandos. So, yun. I'm a fan of Sandos. And I totally support local products. I'm not sure if Coco Republic is a local product, but actually, based on the quality of the item, I think it's great for the 149 price. So this is my item, and this sando is actually fitted on me. Next is, yes, another from Coco Republic. 175 sale from actually 300 pesos. So guys, actually that's all. Naggamit na namo ang amuang 500 pesos na worth of gift certificate. But the thing is we ang tawag dyan, nagdagdag kami ng at least 100 pesos because everything we've paid for all these items na nakalista dito is around 600 and something plus. So actually not bad for these items. And I am just again to mention, I am really a fan of cheap products. Kasi sometimes cheaper. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that cheaper. I'd rather go to cheap. Okay, guys, I'm not the kind of person who loves expensive things, so probably I'd go to cheap items rather than a very expensive item because actually I don't know, maybe kuripot lang gid kay ko and tipid, yun lang. Totz is actually opposite of me. She's more like expensive items than cheap items, especially brand name. Yun. So as of now, so yun guys, thank you so much. And actually our vlog does not end here. It's already 8 p.m. and after this we are going on a massage. So our favorite Oriental touch will bring you there later. Thank you guys, and we'll be back.